Finally, it was time to put in the big boy, the GPU. But as a dad, sometimes the only free time I have is when the baby is asleep. So I built while the baby was asleep. Therefore, I didn't speak. So we will just do a montage.
Björn is sleeping, so I'm just gonna work on the computer in silence. I think it looks okay. So I'm gonna install the GPU. There's the GPU. PewDiePie PC building ASMR. I bet you guys didn't expect that this year.
So, bit of a problem. The GPU is too thick for the... not the GPU necessarily. The fans are too thick, so I can't really use them. But then I realized I have these ones that was left over from the liquid cooler. And I'm like, I might as well use them, right? Same potato, tomato. You're not going to see them anyway. We'll see how that goes. Okay, new fans are in. Will it fit? Please fit. Oh, it fits barely. Okay, it fits. It fits.